Good afternoon. We are at Eagle Manor, lot 27. This is a Bethany style house. We did some modifications by adding some columns. We got the dining room off to the side here. Getting ready to settle this house. You'll see lots of blue tape I put on the walls. Trying to get the painters to finish it up, make it look pretty for when we have settlement. We have a nice corner fireplace in this house, open to the kitchen. And then we have a nice wide open kitchen. We added a pantry in the corner. And then we also have a pantry cabinet here as well. So this is a little bit expanded on our basic Bethany. We also added on the back side of the master bedroom. Excuse the noise of the plastic. On the back side of the master bedroom, we added this little sitting room. Beautiful sunny day. After some rain, nice space with some double pocket doors. And then on the other side we have a nice master bathroom. And the master bathroom has a soaking tub and a nice big shower, tile shower. And then next to that we have our walk-in closet. So we'll be wrapping this one up next week. I'll have a video of it finished, cleaned, and ready for the owners to move in.